Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and for all those who don't know me, hi, my name is Shruti and I make videos on beauty, health and lifestyle. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys that how easily you can pose with your basic dupatta and can take awesome and breathtaking photos. So yeah, let's get into the video. So as you can see in this video that I have two colorful dupattas over here and both are equally beautiful, but I am planning to use this pink one because it has this silvery circle on its edge which is making it look more beautiful and attractive, and also this pink dupatta will go with my outfit, so I will pick this one. This pink dupatta is not so fancy, but still I will try to do my best, and I hope you guys definitely have a basic dupatta like this at your home too. Equipments. So first let's just talk about the equipments that I generally use for taking my pictures. So I used only 3 tools, that includes my Nikon camera, iPhone 7 and this basic tripod which I bought with my friend for about 7 to 800 bucks from a local store in Mumbai. But in today's video all of the pictures that I'm going to show you guys are taken by my sister's iPhone 6, and also I have used my tripod for balancing that phone. But don't you worry guys if you don't have any iPhone or tripod at your home, because I believe even if you have a basic Android phone you can take amazing pictures. So don't forget to watch this video till end to know the magical trick for taking pictures with Android phone. Lighting. So guys, the secret of taking a good picture even if you have a basic Android phone is to find a good source of natural light which should fall directly on your face. One thing you should take care of that the light source should come from eye level, because that looks good in picture, and also because if the light comes above the eye level it can create dark circles under the eyes, and if the light comes below the eye level you will definitely end up looking like you are in a horror movie. So please make sure that the light falls directly on your face from your eye level. Picture idea number 1. Hands over face. If you ask me which magical tool helps to bring out the best self-portrait, my answer is your hand. Yes, placing your hand near the face will make you and your photo look even more charming and beautiful. If you are taking a shot of the upper body, only placing your hand close to the face adds a magical touch to the resulting image. A photo that features only the face may not leave a strong impact on the viewer. You guys can see in this picture how I have used my hand to enhance the perfection of the picture. In a self-portrait, your hand is a part that is as important as your eyes and mouth. To free up your hands in a shot, use the self-timer function for taking amazing pictures. Picture idea number 2. Hidden face. There are women who can strike a good pose anytime, anywhere, but there are some who need a little help, also who can't imagine themselves facing the camera. Well, I have got a good news for all camera shy girl. You don't always need to expose your face to have a cool Instagram picture. So if you are a shy girl but still want to take good photos for your Instagram or for any social media platform, you should definitely try these hidden face poses. These are some poses you can try with your dupatta for taking some cool pictures. You just need to take your dupatta and try to hide half of your face or any part of your face which you don't want to show onto the camera, and this will definitely add a little mystery to your pose, and you will definitely end up taking some awesome pictures like I did. Picture idea number 3. Fixing your hair. This is one of my favorite go-to pose. Whether you are posing in casual or office wear, this pose will work every time you pose. Touching your hair is believable because, well, as girls we often touch our hair, plus it's effortless looking. Scroll through Instagram and you will spot this pose everywhere. These poses are simple but still unique. You just need to touch your hair and pretend like you are fixing your hair. You can make eye contact with the camera, pout, or you can smile, blink. The key to this pose is just enjoy touching your hair while looking totally candid. Picture idea number 4. Try different expression and some random poses. Before taking pictures with different expression, make sure you know which part of your face looks good on camera so that you can focus more on that part. And after taking pictures of your choices, don't just stop clicking pictures, keep experimenting with different facial expression and random poses. Laugh, smile, blink. If you want, you can also try closing your eyes. Pretend to enjoy the moment like I am doing in this picture. So that's it for today's video, you guys. I hope you guys liked and enjoyed this video. If you did, then please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and also let me know if you want me to make more such videos on self-portrait in the comment section below. And I will see you guys in my next video. Till then, bye bye, tata.